So, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your touchscreen is not responding on your Nokia 5. If your touchscreen completely is not responding, the first step you could take is to try cleaning your phone with a microfiber cloth. This could possibly solve your issue by getting rid of the interference from the dirt and other contamination on your screen. Another way to try and fix this would be to try and clean your fingers. It could be that they are covered in something that would prevent them from interacting with the touchscreen in the proper way. If this, however, does not fix your issue, and the phone completely does not react to your touch, you could try force restarting your phone. You can do so by tapping and holding the power and the volume up buttons. You will hold them until the screen goes off, and then even longer. Keep on holding them until you feel vibration and Powered by Android pops up on the screen. Your phone is now restarting. I will speed it up for you since it may take a while. Now that your phone has restarted, if the issue still persists, another step you could take is to try removing your screen protector and cleaning under it. But if the issue still persists even after doing these steps, you might have to give it a service so they can possibly even replace the screen. However, if the phone does react to your touch, but it has problems in doing so, for example, maybe it takes a while for it to register, or you have to tap very hard, or it only every few taps it really registers it. Just if it does react to your touch in any way, you could try going into settings, which may take a while if you have problems with the screen reacting to your fingers touching it. Scrolling down to System, tapping on System, Advanced, scrolling down, System Update. To check if your system is of course up to date. If it is, then this obviously isn't the issue, but if it isn't up to date, try updating it. But if that issue still persists, another thing you could do here would be to go into Reset Options and go into Factory Reset. This would, however, be a nuclear option, as it would delete all of your data. Another thing you could do in the case your phone still somewhat reacts to your touch is go into the power options, tap and hold power off, and then click OK to reboot into safe mode. This will restart your phone, and once it turns back on, your phone will be in safe mode, where you will be able to rule out any of the apps causing the problems. But if the issue persists in safe mode, you might actually have to possibly give it up to service. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.